The National Weather Service in Grand Forks has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Hubbard County, southeastern Clearwater County in northwestern Minnesota until 6:15 a.m. At 5:32 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Lake Itasca, or 22 miles southwest of Bemidji, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, $half-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of central Hubbard and southeastern Clearwater counties. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.